Hi guys! Welcome to the teaser of this STC pre-conference video making workshop. It's going to be an intense 7-hour workshop, and by the end of it hopefully you'll make your very first video or at least have all the confidence to dive into this exciting world of next-gen video making.
The workshop targets both novices and experts. We do a deep dive into core topics like video making life cycle, scripting and storyboarding.
We've also planned to add a healthy dose of best practices, insights into processes, as well as sharing of collective wisdom.
Remember guys, this is all mined out of a 5-year-long collective learning at Cisco.
And we promise it's not going to be all drab theory, although there's going to be a lot of that too.
There's going to be a lot of fun exercises as well as interactive group activities for all of you. Guess what? We have some prizes lined up for a few enterprising video makers.
Well, see you guys soon then.
See you all!